What's going on, guys? Jay here from smarthelping.com. I got a free template. I haven't done a free one in a while, but I thought this was pretty simple. Something I was actually going to use for myself, so I figured to make it into a template. What it is, budgeted sales year to date versus actual totals, percentage in a chart. Pretty simple. All you do, you put in what you think your monthly budgeted sales are going to be, or your goal, or whatever you want per month. Then you put in your actual sales as they happen each month. You can see a comparison of the percentage or of the total for budget versus actual. You can see the chart here showing, here's your actuals as they go up. If you make 6,000 more in May, have a big month in June, and you can see the bar going up and up. So pretty simple but pretty useful. Just, keep track of your monthly sales, what your budget was, and percentage of your budget that you've reached year to date. Uh, that's pretty much it. So free template. The link is in the description box below. Obviously, if you want to check out more models, I've got all kinds of things at smarthelping.com. I've got well over 140 unique financial models for all kinds of businesses. These are full year, 5 and 10 year forecasting models. I got a lot of SaaS stuff, a lot of real estate underwriting tools, industry specific models, joint venture distribution waterfalls with a lot of logic, accounting trackers, lots of advanced things. If you've never used spreadsheets before or haven't used them in that much of a capacity, this will teach you a lot. I've been building these things for a long time, for professionally, for a lot of customers and clients, and over that time, I've learned what's valuable and built them here. So check it out. You can get all the models on the whole site for $2,500, which is over 50% savings from buying them individually, or you can buy category bundles as well. And this is lifetime access, meaning this includes you pay once and you get access to everything I also ever build in the future, as well as everything that currently exists. Uh, oh, and I also have an affiliate program. I've implemented it, runs through eJunkie, which is the back end of all my file delivery stuff. So if you do want to sign up for that, you can earn 30% by sharing any of these templates with your colleagues, friends, coworkers, whatever, and earn 30% of any of the sales that you refer. Alrighty, well, that's all I got for you this Thursday. Have a great day. I'll probably have a new model coming out next week, and I'll see you on the next one.